Welcome to Zscaler Pulse, your monthly Zenith community deep dive into Zscaler products and the zero trust industry. We're breaking down the latest community updates, product advancements, and essential tech news in one 15-minute episode. I'm Ben Garrison, program manager for, I don't know what this was, program manager for the Zenith community. I have my co-host, I don't know, is he here or here, wherever, Huxley Dunsany. How's it going, buddy?
I'm good. I'm good. How you doing, Ben?
I'm bleeding.
I was gonna
So
say you look slightly wounded coming into this.
so my oldest and I started getting into pickleball, like heavy
Oh,
into pickleball. Heavy.
I didn't know it was a full
This
contact sport.
this is
Yeah.
from wiffle ball
Oh
to
shoot.
the
Okay.
face.
Okay.
And then I picked it before I scratched my nose forgetting it was there. And then I created an medical emergency.
Well,
Well,
never let it be
hopefully,
said that you didn't show up wounded or otherwise ready to record Zscaler Pulse.
I was like, I'll be darned if a broken nose stops me from recording this Pulse, a podcast.
And I should acknowledge the third face in this session here. We have a returning guest, maybe one of the rare returning guests that we've had on Zscaler
woohoo.
Pulse, Michael Chenard, who, if I'm not mistaken, is our senior manager of hands-on solutions, which kind of tells you, it says what it does on the box. But Michael, welcome back.
Thank you. Awesome to be here again. It's been a while. I'm excited to talk about all the stuff and to hear more about Ben's bloody nose.
Yeah.
It's not a bloody. Okay, it's not a bloody
Bleeding
nose. It's
nose.
a bleeding. It's
Bleeding nose.
bleeding.
A
It's not. It's
small but
hemorrhaging. It's hemorrhaging right now. Okay,
welcome to the pit, Zscaler's medical podcast.
it's gushing at the moment. Okay, I don't want to hear it. So any.
We're 2 minutes in and we've already left the rails at high speed here.
Yeah, we're not editing this out at all. This is
Good.
great. So we are gathered here today on this Pulse podcast because we have a really cool event coming up next month called Zenith Live. And that's probably the coolest event. And I always joke because the only reason why they ever get me there is because they tell me there's going to be conference food involved. And I love conference food. That is,
I,
it's the best.
I've heard
So
that about you. I've heard
yeah,
that about you, and I'm slightly concerned, but
it's
it is what it is.
yeah. The hotel, the flying, the flights, all that stuff. No, no. Conference food, I'm there. I'm there.
All right.
So,
Okay.
but we have Zenith Live coming up next month, in Vegas, and then we've got the following week after Vegas is Vienna, right? So I know Michael because I'm helping to build out the community booth, the academy and community booth, I should say, with Vanita, who is my boss. And we got I got the insider scoop on what's going to be at the booth. So I figured let's bring Michael on and let's talk a little bit about what is going to happen at our booth.
Yeah.
And one of the biggest coolest things is the solutions demo center. One, what is it? Two, we'll leave it at that.
Yeah,
All
let's start with
right.
what
All
is it,
right.
and we can
Hey,
go
let's.
from there. So,
All
what is a
right.
solutions
Okay.
demo
Two, I
center?
refer to one.
Okay. So yeah, Zenith Live's coming up, which is always exciting. Not necessarily for the conference food for me, but I
Mhm.
like to travel and see new places. Obviously,
You're
Vegas
missing
is
out.
not a new place. I'll see you in the line. Don't. I'll be in that food line with you. But
Sadly, I
uh,
won't be there this year. I get to design
oh,
the booth, but I don't
Hmm.
get to go this year. So
it's disappointing.
We will
Okay,
live through you
fine.
vicariously, Michael.
I will eat
yeah,
all the conference food I can for you.
take pictures.
All right. So what is the Solutions Demo Center? Well, you can watch the podcast. No. Solutions Demo Center is a hands-on experience that we've built for internal folks, our customers, our partners to get to be able to touch and feel the various products and features that Zscaler has to offer, right?
Mhm.
There's a lot out there. We've grown, our offerings continue to grow, and my team tries to do everything they can to make sure all that new stuff is there for you to get, hands-on, hence the name of my team, right? Uh, it is a read-only environment. You get in and you have admin access and you can go through all the various admin consoles and portals. But of course, the main Zscaler console, right? That's at one point
Mhm.
called Experience Center, is where it all lives now. and you can kind of poke through and see and get your feet wet without having
Yeah.
to, necessarily have your own environment or have rights to your own environment. Um,
And
we
every
use it.
customer today has that, right? Every customer
So,
and partner has access to it.
they can. They absolutely
Okay.
can. So you don't get it just, given to you, but you can absolutely get access. Partners can access it from the partner portal, and
Mhm.
customers can get access via, their SE or any other Zscaler contact can get them credentials. And they get, 30 days that they can go and play around. And like I said, it's
Well,
read only, so you can't break it. You can do everything you want to do, or try to do everything you want to do,
Challenge accepted.
and you can't break it. Um, don't go trying to hack it or anything, but
Right.
it's a shared environment. So there might be hundreds of other people in that same environment with you at any given time because we also use it in our training sessions.
Hmm.
When you sign up for Cyber Academy training and you get a hands-on lab for, Zscaler for Users Administrator, for example, you get a tenant that you do create profiles and create policies and things like that. But some things are just easier and better done in an environment with a lot of traffic. And so we use the Solutions
Hmm.
Demo Center or SDC for those portions of the labs. Uh, and your SEs are using the SDC a lot when they're giving you demos of new stuff also, right? So it's used by
Yeah.
them as well. In fact, and because the Solutions Demo Center is so large and we have so many users and admins in it, we also tend to be a really good test bed for our products, for better or worse.
So you sometimes get some of the new things in there really quickly.
Exactly. Yes. Sometimes,
Yeah.
cutting edge,
Hmm.
bleeding nose, whatever.
It's actually
full
the
circle.
bleeding edge of my nose. So
Yeah, there you go.
so
Going,
it was the best of both worlds.
of course, of course. One of the other elements of the Solutions Demo Center that I want to give a hat tip to, the part people think of when they hear about it is like, oh, cool, I get to explore the admin interface. But when you have access to the SDC, if I'm not mistaken, you also get end user credentials. So you can literally experience life as an end user with different levels of permission and access.
Exactly. So we have several different personas that you get credentials for as well. You could be an HR representative or an IT person or even a
Hmm.
third party that has access into this environment and depending on what role you log in as, you can perform different functions. And there is a guided tour document that you'll have access to as well, that kind of walks you through a lot of it. Like I said, there's a ton. So it's not everything. It's not all inclusive,
Hmm.
but you know, Zscaler people can give you a hand too and point you in different directions too if you want. So,
There's nothing we love more than talking about our cool new stuff.
well,
And you said you can get
yeah.
like a 30-day access to it. Is that like one time or can you get
Oh
it
no.
multiple times? You can request it multiple times.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. You
So
can request it as many times as you want. We just do 30 days just to keep the environment clean and
that's fair. That's
Nice.
fair.
And we're
So
going to
then
add in your
somebody
home phone
could,
number on screen here so
yeah,
people know
yeah,
how to get a hold of
yeah.
you.
Direct email
Yeah.
access. Um, but for someone who's looking to get ZDTA certified, right?
Yep.
Or any other certification, wouldn't the Solutions Demo Center be now I know this is only available for customers and partners, right? And you can become certified regardless of your status with Zscaler, right? But wouldn't that be something that somebody could get access to help them study for these certifications?
Certainly. I mean, I
Yeah.
100% the answer there is yes. It can help with any certification. It can, any of our various
Hmm.
specialization certs too, or just to help you out, with your day job. Maybe you are a Zscaler customer and you've got it, not entirely sure what you're doing sometimes. Maybe you go look in the
Hmm.
SDC and just see how it's set up there, and then you can go back and I do
Yeah.
that all the time, actually. I use the Solutions Demo Center environment as my own little my own test bed. Maybe that's not the right way to say it, but when we're building new
He tries
labs,
to
I look
break
at
it.
how we've got it set up there, and then we go
Hmm.
build it that way in a lab. But
That's cool.
but so you mentioned the booth. You
Yeah.
Yes.
mentioned the booth. So the booth at Zenith Live this year, I know you've got some stuff that I'm going to let you talk about some of the stuff you're doing in that booth.
I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna leave it like a cliffhanger.
Oh,
Just kidding. I don't
exciting
know.
stuff.
Exciting things. Put
That's
on
right.
marketing hat.
There are going to be workstations set up in the booth. I think three,
Hmm.
if I remember correctly,
Yes. Yes.
where you will have direct access to the Solutions Demo Center, along with some guided tours that my team has created.
Hmm.
Around some of the major themes of Zenith Live. AI being one of the biggest topics. Right, there will be guided tours around some of our new AI products that you can get your hands on. There's trainings going on, the day before Zenith Live, the day after Zenith Live,
Mhm.
and some actually during breakout times throughout this year, which is really cool too. But to get additional time, you can come by the booth and play around. Or if you don't have time to go take a class, come by the booth and spend a few minutes going through a tour of whatever it is you want. Because
Yeah.
you'll have full access to the SDC, you can do just about anything. But there'll be guided tours for select things to be determined. Well,
Hmm.
it's in the process. We're only three
And
weeks
and
away.
and you're gonna be there so people can come meet
I will be
you.
there. I will be there. I will be in the booth most of the time when the booth is open. But like I mentioned, there are going to be some other classes running, so I will be supporting those as well. But I will be there. AJ Murray from my team will be there with me in Vegas. Obviously, there'll be a bunch of instructors around, right, from the Cyber Academy.
Hmm.
It sounds like Ben is not going to be there. He was uninvited this year. Uh,
They rescinded my invitation.
They saw
and,
your
and
nose and they
then
were like, "No way, man.
They
Sorry."
they said they said they had to reduce the food budget.
that's right.
So
Oh,
yeah, I was eating too much of the conference food, so they had to reduce that.
And then in Vienna, I will also be in Vienna the following week
Hmm.
with a
awesome.
couple other individuals from my team who no one really knows them yet because they're newer. So that'll be their first experience getting to going to Zenith Live. So I'm excited for
Very
them too.
cool.
Yeah, I think we can probably at some point on the community we can probably have. I mean, I don't know how beneficial it would be to say, hey, this is the solutions demo center because we're just going to be showing the product, right? Essentially, at the end of the day.
Right.
But maybe we could have some more information about it. And we'll make sure that we talk through that and see what we can get out there on that community. But I think the most important takeaway from this is that the Solutions Demo Center has gone through a lot of iterations over the course of the last year. A lot of cool things have happened in the Zscaler world. And the Solutions Demo Center sometimes has the stuff in there right away. And then sometimes, it's the first look to be able to see
Right.
this, sort of see these things. So
Yep.
if you don't have access to it, what are you waiting for?
Yeah, well
I mean,
said.
Just reach out to Michael
yeah,
directly.
yeah, totally. Look me up.
What could go wrong?
So
What
I will
could,
say the SDC, like it used to be kind of a one man, like it was one person on the team that was their whole purpose in life was the SDC.
Mhm.
It has become such a big deal that I actually now have three people on my team that support the SDC, one in each kind of geographical region, right? So I got one in the US, one in Europe, and one in Asia, so that we have support for it 24/7 and we can come up with better guides and cool new stuff. So you want to add something to the community? I think there's some people that can help create something with you.
That's
If this,
awesome.
if I was editing this podcast, I'd put in that Will Ferrell. So you don't know this or not, but kind of a big deal. That's basically what Michael just said.
Love it.
But I'm not editing this. Thank goodness. We don't want that. It would be memes all over the place.
Yeah,
So,
very
well, hey,
cool.
thanks so much, Michael and Huxley, for this quickie. But I think it's important. Go to Zenith Live, check out the
Yes.
booth. We're going to have our trainers there. We're going to have, you heard from Katie, so all the ones that the trainers from certifications. We're going to have the Solutions Demo Center. There's going to be a cool new game at the booth. The last couple of years, we
There
used
we
a
go.
Jeopardy game.
Nice.
This year, we have a different kind of game, kind of in the same genre of engagement, but still fun. So I hope to see, well, no, I hope to hear that you
Yeah.
went to the show, to the conference.
Yeah.
I won't be there. But if you do go there, make sure you post on community that you were there. Share your pictures. I'm gonna have a little section on Zenith, the community for Zenith Live this year. And I would encourage everyone to take pictures and post them on the community so we can
Yeah.
make
We love
everyone
to see
else feel
that.
jealous that they
Nice.
didn't get to attend, me included, to attend this amazing event. So, and
And
Michael
Michael,
and
Awesome.
Huxley are gonna be posting pictures.
yeah, I'll definitely be looking for him. And Michael,
I said,
I'll
Huxley's
go
not
ahead.
coming either, is he?
No,
That's right. He's
unfortunately, I
not.
had a pre-existing engagement that overlaps, so I'm not able to go, but I will be living vicariously through all the photos and
Was
So
LinkedIn
it was
posts and
it's a
stuff.
floor
I
hockey
will post
tournament.
lots of photos.
Yes, please. Please do.
All right.
And no, I just wanted to say thank you for all the work you and your team are doing. I know it makes a big difference for the folks who
Absolutely.
are live in person at Zenith Live and all the folks who are connecting with the Solutions Demo Center from all points around the globe.
Awesome. Yeah. I like Zenith Live also because I get to be face to face with all these people who are using the things that my team are putting
Mhm.
together, and I don't get to talk to. So
Very
it's great.
cool.
Yeah,
That's
very
nice.
cool. Very cool.
Well, thanks so much, Michael. I appreciate it. And everyone else, I'll see you on the community. I would see you at Zenith Live if I was going, but if not, I will see you at some point when I go there again in the future. And until then, catch you next time.
Safe
Cheers.
travels.